Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Listening Podcast channel. I'm Aylin, and today I'm here with Mark. Today we will talk about sports together. We will share opinions, ask questions, and learn simple sports vocabulary. Listening to conversations like this is a very important practice for learning English. It helps you improve your listening, learn new words, and feel more confident when you speak. Now, let's start. Hi, Mark. How are you today?
Hi, Eileen. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine too. Mark, I want to start a sport, but I don't know which one is best for me.
That's great. Doing sports is good for the body and the mind. What do you like more, team sports or individual sports?
I think I like both, but I feel a little shy in big groups.
I understand. In that case, individual sports can be easier to start. What sports do you know?
I know football, basketball, tennis, swimming, and running. Also, yoga.
Good list. Which one sounds most interesting to you?
Swimming sounds interesting, but I also like watching basketball. It is fast and exciting.
Yes, basketball is very fast. Lots of running, quick passes, and many points.
Do you play basketball?
Sometimes, but not very often. I play football more.
Football is very popular. Do you play in a team?
Not a real team. I play with friends on weekends in the park. It's fun, and it's good exercise.
That sounds nice. I like the idea of playing with friends, but I'm not very good at football.
That's okay. You don't need to be perfect. You can learn slowly.
True. Mark, why do you like football so much?
I like it because it's a team sport. People work together. Also, the game can change quickly. One goal can change everything.
Yes, that's exciting. I like that feeling too when I watch matches.
Do you have a favorite team?
I have one, but I don't watch every game. I watch big matches or important tournaments.
That makes sense. What about swimming? Why do you want to try it?
Because I think it's good for the whole body and it looks relaxing.
Swimming is very good. It trains your arms, legs, and back. Also, it's not hard on your knees.
That's important for me. I don't want knee pain.
Exactly. Some people have knee problems with running, but swimming is softer for the body.
Is swimming expensive?
It depends. Some pools are cheap and some are more expensive. Also, you may need some basic things like a swimsuit and goggles.
Goggles help you see underwater, right?
Yes, and they protect your eyes. Many swimmers use them.
I see. Mark, what sport is the easiest to start?
Walking is very easy. You can start today. You don't need special skills.
I sometimes walk, but I feel like it's too simple.
Simple can be good. Walking every day is healthy. You can also walk faster to make it more active.
Like fast walking.
Yes, fast walking or power walking. It can increase your heart rate.
That sounds good. What about running?
Running is also simple, but you must start slowly. If you start too fast, you can get injured.
Injured like what?
Like pain in the knees, ankles, or feet. Good shoes are important.
So I need good running shoes.
Yes, good shoes can protect your feet. Also, you should warm up before running.
Warm up means light exercise first?
Exactly. A short walk, stretching, or simple movements. It prepares your body.
I usually forget warm up. That's not good.
Many people forget, but it's important.
Mark, do you go to the gym?
Sometimes, yes. I do basic exercises like cycling on the machine and some weights.
Weights sound difficult to me.
It can be easy if you start light. You can also ask a trainer for help.
I feel nervous in the gym. There are many people.
I understand. In that case, home workouts can be better at first.
Home workouts like simple exercises at home?
Yes. For example, squats, push-ups, or yoga.
Yoga again. Everyone talks about yoga.
Because it helps with flexibility and stress. Also, you can do it at home with a video.
That's true. Yoga looks calm. I like calm sports.
Then yoga could be a good choice for you.
But I also want something a bit more active.
Then you can mix them. For example, swimming 2 days a week and yoga 1 day a week.
That sounds like a plan. Mark, what sport do you think is the most fun?
For me, football is the most fun because I love the team feeling. But fun is personal. For you, it might be swimming or basketball.
I think basketball is fun to watch, but maybe not easy to play.
Basketball can be hard at first, but you can learn basic skills, dribbling, passing, and shooting.
Dribbling is bouncing the ball, right?
Yes, exactly. You bounce the ball while you move.
I tried dribbling once. I was not good.
Practice helps. Everyone starts like that.
Mark, do you prefer watching sports or playing sports?
I like both. Watching is relaxing, but playing gives you energy and keeps you healthy.
Yes, when I watch sports, I feel motivated, but I don't always start.
Motivation is good, but habits are better. You can start with small steps.
Like 20 minutes a day?
Yes, even 15 to 20 minutes is a good start.
Mark, do you have a sports routine?
I try to. On weekdays, I walk or do a short workout. On weekends, I play football with friends.
That's a good routine. Do you eat differently when you do sports?
Yes, a little. I drink more water and I try to eat healthier foods.
Like vegetables and fruit?
Yes, and also protein like eggs or chicken. But I'm not perfect.
Nobody's perfect. I also drink too little water.
Many people do. Water is important, especially when you exercise.
Mark, do you think sports help with stress?
Definitely. When I do sports, I feel calmer. It clears my mind.
That's what I want too. I feel stressed sometimes.
Then sports can help you. Even a walk outside can improve your mood.
True, fresh air helps.
Yes. Also, listening to music while walking can be nice.
I do that. Music makes walking more fun.
Great! You already have a good start.
Mark, what do you think of tennis?
Tennis is a good sport. It improves focus and coordination. But you usually need a partner and a place to play.
Coordination means using hands and eyes together?
Yes, exactly. Watching the ball and hitting it correctly.
That seems challenging.
It can be, but it's also very fun when you learn.
Maybe I can try tennis later. First, swimming and yoga.
Good choice. Start with what you enjoy and what feels comfortable.
Mark, how can I stay consistent?
Make it easy. Choose a time and day. For example, Monday and Thursday, swimming. Then it becomes a habit.
That's smart. If I plan it, I will do it.
Yes. Also, you can track your progress, like writing it in a notebook.
A sports notebook. That's a nice idea.
It helps you feel proud and motivated.
Mark, do you have any last advice for beginners?
Yes. Start slowly, be patient, and enjoy the process. Don't compare yourself with others.
That's important. Comparing can make you feel bad.
Exactly. Everyone has a different level and a different body.
Thank you, Mark. This conversation helped me a lot.
You're welcome, Aylin. Tell me when you start swimming.
I will, maybe next week, and maybe I can invite a friend too.
Great idea. Doing sports with a friend is more fun.
Yes, and it helps me not to quit.
Exactly. Good luck.
That's the end of today's conversation. Today we talked about many sports like football, basketball, swimming, tennis, running, walking, yoga, and gym workouts. We also learned useful words like warm-up, injured, routine, coordination, flexibility, and stress. Remember, listening again and again is very important. When you listen repeatedly, you understand more, you learn new vocabulary faster, and your speaking becomes more natural. Don't forget to like and follow the channel. See you in the next video.